Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're going to be doing a midweek haul, looking at some Walgreens, Dollar General, and then Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. The bulk of their Halloween stuff, 90% off. If you can get out there ASAP, you're probably going to find a lot of stuff. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps me out to ensure that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. If you could take a quick second and like the video, I would be so grateful. The first store that we're at is Walgreens. This deal is done in store, and it is to get basically this gum for free. However, I had a little bit of a snagu, and I really hope that it might work out because this deal is valid till the end of the month. If you look bottom right-hand corner until November the 30th. But maybe one of you might be able to share how it can work. So the deal is to grab 2 of these 14 counters of the Trident gum. You get back a $3 register reward, but it's actually a manufacturer's coupon, which is really odd. So I picked these 2 up. I rolled $3 in Walgreens cash, and then out of the Catalina machine, this guy printed out. That's not a register reward. It's $3 off of a gum. In that blue column, it says coupon value cannot exceed the purchase amount. So if you would grab theoretically 2 more and use this coupon, it should work. However, there was a message of doom that appeared saying that the coupon wasn't valid. So I'm wondering, as the weeks march on, will it start working? Yes or no? I don't know. But we tried a whole bunch of things, even scanning 3 in, and it didn't work. So in the comments down below, if you've had some success, let me know. Just irritating stuff at Walgreens, but I'm sure a lot of you deal with this. But if you can get it to work, it's use $3 initially to pay for it, and the second one should be free, and those make excellent little stocking stuffers. What kid doesn't love gum? So I thought that maybe if I grabbed something that was $3 or more, maybe it would work, and it in fact worked. And these 3 packs, so it's a better value than just getting 2 little chintzy ones. They're 2 for $6, and I tried to get the cashier to scan both of these, and only one would scan. Alternatively, you can grab this guy and it'll be 49 cents. So I don't know, because this is a month-long thing, maybe they're going to work out the bug where this will work to just roll it on another transaction, but I was not successful. In the comments down below, if you've had success, please share with us, because there is a bug here and I don't understand it. Also, Halloween is 80%. Whatever doesn't sell, they're probably going to box it up, send it somewhere for auction. Typically, there's companies that buy shelf pulls of seasonal stuff, and Walgreens is one of the stores. Walgreens, Target, and CVS, just off the top of my head. And then they pay however much per box of shelf pulls, and they make way more money than making this go to 90. But some stores are 90, some stores are 70, some stores are 80. So if this is your thing, go make it happen before the weekend, because probably by the weekend it's going to get boxed up. These next few deals, if you can swing them, I would definitely do them. It's to grab 1 Edge and 1 Schick. It's on this goofy promotion of buying 2 of these to get back a $5 register reward, to spend 10, and you're at 10 when you buy these 2. And we have digital coupons to go with. We have a $3 for the Schick disposable. Go with the men's because it is cheaper than the women's. Just a rule of thumb. I think the women's is like $1 or $2 more. And then that men's shave cream is 50% off. It's on a BOGO 50% off, and we have this $1 off. Alternatively, if you want to grab the ladies Skintimate, you can instead of the Edge. So 1 of each is $10.74. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off. Subtracting $4 in digitals that I just showed you in the slides previous, you're going to pay $6.74, get back a $5 register reward, making it $1.74 for the 2 items. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you wish. Lots of people have done that and had a lot of success. And just to show you, here's the register reward. It printed for me earlier in the week, so I was really happy with this deal. It's just absolutely fantastic. Now, the next deal we're going to talk about is curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, driving to the store and picking it up. And I think this is also a fantastic deal this week on paper. So you're going to be grabbing 3 of each, so 3 toilet papers and 3 paper towels, and hopefully your store allows you to order at least 3. I know some stores are super strict, but hopefully you can do that. And then we have a $1.25 Walgreens coupon. I've showed it about 15 times this week, so hopefully you can track it down. Just look up the item. It should be itemized below it, and you just press the plus sign. Just to show you, we're at $30. Using the code WAG10, we're getting a little bit extra off. Plus that $1.25 comes off of each toilet paper. So $9.75 is melting off. So the price here is $21.47. If you have $20 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.47. And this is a very good stock up price on these paper products. A lot of us are trying to make a little reserve of paper. We don't panic buy. We just buy it when there's a really good deal on paper products. Okay, and also Arm & Hammer is buy one, get one free. I apologize. A slip of the tongue. I think I said buy one, get 2 for free. I believe that's the Purex deal of the week, I believe. But double, triple check. Always read the tags. Buy one, get one free. And then next week it's going to be like 4 for $10 with a digital coupon. It might be better to press pause on this deal and wait for next week unless you're in an absolute panic to get some Arm & Hammer this week. Not the worst deal. I would definitely use some Walgreens cash or register rewards to get the balance a lot less. Okay, so now we're going to go over to the Dollar General, and there was a very large penny list that came out on Tuesday the 5th. And this should be universal at all the stores. Open up the Dollar General app. If this stuff is ringing up 0.00 at the register, old system stores, updated stores, it should be a penny. And there's a whole host of items. I'm going to show you the UPCs, but the first couple stores that I went, I was finding like 100 plus items. And as the day kind of dwindled, even in the middle of the afternoon, I was still finding like 30 to 40 items. And it is some odder stuff. It's not like typical things, but some of the stuff is really great, like these pens, for example. So I believe like the next couple of Tuesdays, they're all going to be really big penny hauling Tuesdays. So if this is your thing, make it happen. I got roughly about 200 items yesterday. I had to stop because I actually got a migraine, a really bad one, and I was not feeling good yesterday afternoon. So I had to go home, which is like sad because if this is the one sort of thing when you can get so much of this stuff for like $2, you know, there's something in you if you're a penny shopper, you just want to keep going. So I just really enjoy it. And even as I was saying, like the last store I went to yesterday was at 3 o'clock and I was still finding a lot of penny items. So I'm just going to show you the UPCs in the item and tell you roughly where I found them in the store. And you can still find them. You might have to look though. And it's just pretty great when you can get all this stuff. And like even the sunscreen, it doesn't expire till 2025. So you're just looking for this stuff. Those sun shields, they're in a box in automotive, and then the sunscreen was found at the front of the store. This is a 4th of July garden pick. Not all the 4th of July stuff too was also a penny, only certain items. And I found, I think, probably like 30 or 40 of these sun shields. I met up with another couponer and I gave her like a huge amount of them and she was just laughing. And these ones, I found them right near the cash register. They have the merchandise on a shelf. Usually it's a black shelf with like 4 different areas to merchandise stuff, and like right across from the candy, and all this stuff was there. And it's either the Wild Tropics or the Dollar General brand. And here are all the UPCs. You won't find this in the regular skincare aisle. Sometimes it's merchandise at the very, very top for overspills, but look for it at the front of the store. And this was the one item I found the most of, and I'm going to be donating a ton of this. And it doesn't expire until next year. And then we have the SPF 70, 50, and I think there was a 31 too in these little tubies, perfect for travel size. And a lot of them had a lot of convincing, I don't know, like oil or dirt on it. I thought that was kind of funny. And the Easy Squeeze, I only found 3 of these, but it has to be this exact one, and you guessed it, a penny. If you really like candles, I mean, this is the best thing. This Citronella, it's like a little thing to put around your wrist. Find it merchandised at the front of the store near the registers. I found about 4 of them. And this guy I found in the automotive, the section where they have the bug spray. I found one on a top shelf, only one I found. And then a lot of back to school stuff. You guessed it, a penny. I only found one of these, but super, super cute. Just don't be shy to open up the app and scan everything. Only a couple of these bracelet making things went a penny, but I was able to find a couple. And it's called the Make Shoppy. So be on the lookout for that. And one item that I found a huge amount of, and some of these were from like 2023, so I don't know. It's a green dot plates. I remember a lot of people showing these, and I was like, oh, okay, I'll just find them. And then the first store I went to, I think I found like 50 plates and napkins, so I found a good amount of them. So I'm ready to have a lemonade party because they're. I mean, I only found one of these duct tapes, and it's in a bright pumpkin orange, and I found this in the automotive section, which was kind of interesting. So look high, look low, look everywhere. I ran into another couponer. She found the whole display, and she was kind enough to give me half. So she is so awesome, and it's called the Jelly Roll Pens. Here are two of the UPCs. Anything stationary like books and pens, this is the one item like I am weak for. I want all of them. I wish I had found more of these. It's these Crayola mess frees, perfect for stockings, Christmas, Easter gifts, Halloween gifts, whatever. I mean, it's just perfect for any little kid. And here are the UPCs. I only found 5. I wish I found a lot more. And then this one's courtesy of Christie's Connections, the little cocoa melon, perfect to put on top of a stocking with a bunch of gifts. And it is a yellow dot toy. I was able to find 2, so I was really happy about that. And thank you to fellow YouTuber Christie's Connections for mentioning that in her video yesterday. Lots of these educational books. I found a huge amount at one store. And actually shared it with that couponer who gave me a bunch of pens. So it's nice to be kind to other penny shoppers because you know what? Sometimes it really helps out. And it's always nice to walk with a bit of kindness in your heart. And here are the UPCs. Good luck with all this, guys. I would definitely go out and look in that book section, look around the store. There's a huge amount of various items. I hope that you find a couple of things. And again, 0.00 in the app will be a penny at the register. Last store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. Sorry, there is no sister store. Their Halloween stuff, what is remaining, went 90 on Wednesday, November the 6th. The earlier you can get out and look around, I'm sure you will find a lot more stuff, but some really cute little things. And not just a bunch of garbage either, like really nice things. And I think that people just genuinely don't have money to be buying all this stuff. So that's why there was a good amount left in the Halloween aisle or whatever, including these Scrub Daddies. The original price was $4.99. It's down to 49 cents. When will you ever find this product at 90% off? The answer to that is never. So I was really happy to find a couple of these, and they were just on a bottom shelf in that Halloween aisle that they have at the front of the store. And here are the UPCs. And, you know, the packaging's kind of black, so just look for that. And, well, you know, obviously the pumpkin ghost or Frankenstein, but the Frankenstein one was gone. The ghost one is so, so adorable. The Crayola, they had a spookier paint kit, or they had this guy, and I believe the price was 89 cents from $8.99. I actually left them all there because I did so much at the Dollar General. I was like, I have enough. This little wooden Hello Kitty was 99 cents. The original price was $9.99. And then these glass cups that you can put iced coffee were 79 cents. They had a whole bunch of like Wednesday, Child's Play, the Hello Kitty. And this lady was also 79 cents. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.